Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update vehicle charging limit controls to protect battery health. Complete guide step by step clearly. To update vehicle charging limit controls, start by accessing your vehicle's settings menu. Locate the charging or battery section in the menu. In this section, look for the option labeled charging limit or max charge level. Choose the maximum charge level that suits your preferences. After selecting your desired charging limit, save the changes. Next, check if your vehicle allows limits for different charging modes, such as standard or fast charging. If applicable, set the limits for each mode according to your driving habits. Now, if your vehicle supports scheduled charging, consider setting a time for your vehicle to charge overnight. This strategy can help in managing battery health by avoiding high temperatures during peak hours. If your vehicle has advanced features, look for options like battery conditioning or climate control. Enabling these features can improve. Once you have made all the necessary adjustments, exit the settings menu. Monitor your battery performance over the next few charging cycles to ensure the changes are effective. If you notice any discrepancies or issues, refer to the vehicle's user manual for further troubleshooting steps. By following these steps, you can effectively update your vehicle's charging limit controls to protect battery health. This simple adjustment can lead to improved performance and longevity for your electric vehicle's battery. Ensure to regularly revisit these settings, especially as software updates may introduce new features or adjustments. Proper management of your charging settings will contribute to a healthier, more efficient battery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.